Hello crafted peeps, welcome back to my channel. This is Trisha Creativemind Creations, and today I have a swap I want to share with you, but I'm afraid to open that box because I went on vacation, just got back today, and I forgot this was coming, and it rained when I got back. So this is a swap that I got from Vonetta Carrington, and it was the Advent book swap that I did in my group on Facebook, Craft Manipulators. It was hosted by Tiffany McGill, who is Tiffany Craft Like a Boss McGill here on YouTube. And it came, she had a big piece of cardstock on here with our address on. I already tore it off because it came right off because it was wet. So I kind of let the box dry through a towel so it soak up some of the water, and I'm afraid to open this box because I'm afraid. I'm just praying that it didn't get anything and didn't get messed up. But it came while I was gone, and I forgot I was expecting this package. So hopefully it didn't damage anything. It don't look like it. Oh, cool. Okay. It didn't damage anything, I don't think. Hey, she put in another container. Okay, so this got a little wet. No biggie. Okay, and I was afraid for nothing. But let's see, let me dry this off. But this is what she sent. And so what we had to do is we had to make an Advent calendar or Advent book. That was a I'm sorry, guys, for the glare. For the a tutorial that Tiffany did, and we had to follow the tutorial to make the little Advent box. And it was like 8 little boxes, and we had to fill them with goodies. And we was also able to share our own decide what theme we wanted to do it in or whatever. So we decided to do Christmas in any color. I chose traditional, and this is kind of traditional, but it's not, because it's all of this. But anyway, we chose Christmas. So again, we had to make the little Advent box or book, and we had to put little goodies into each of the little 8 boxes that was inside the Advent boxes, and then we had to make a card kit with certain requirements, and we can add any goodies that are actually thinking after that. So this is what she sent mine. I wish I would have thought of this. But yeah, so I love this box already. So she's put mine in this, and she's added everything in here. And so she sent me some extra goodies, and this is some Halloween ribbon I can use for next year. There's a card, and she has some other goodies, some poinsettias, and some little stickers, and embellishments, tags. Cute. Thank you, Vonetta, for that. And then I'm thinking this is probably some cut aparts from the paper stack that she used. I think this is cute. And first I'm going to show you guys I love this box. The card kit that we had to make. And first I'm going to read the little note that she sent. Okay. Thank you, Vonetta. This really sweet. Okay, so we had to do a card kit, and we had to have it 2 layers, a die cut, an embellishment, and a sentiment. I'm surprised I remember that. And then we had to make one as a sample card, and then we had to include everything in a kit to create that card. If y'all see my craft kit swap that I did, it's pretty much the same thing. But we had to do this for a card. So this is the card, and the cute little ring. Sorry about the glare. I have got to get a different light. I like the lighting, but it's just gives off a glare. But anyway, This is so cute. I love the little reindeer. That is too cute. And she did it on, it looks like, oh no, it's an envelope. Okay, well, we're just gonna open it up. So we had to give, oh, I had a matching envelope too. So this is the card. That's the matching envelope. I love the envelope. It's gold. And she put a snowflake on there. That's she punched out in the same paper as she did the live card. Oh, that's so cute. And I can even hang the card if I want to. I have to keep it close. This is the inside. I love that. And that's the sentiment, the die cut, and the little embellishment, I guess. It is so cute. He's a cute little reindeer. Ain't he cute? Yep, and she put VMC 2020 on the back. I'm thinking that's her her YouTube channel too. I can't remember. Okay, and see, then these are all the elements that she included with this. I can make this card, and we had to include enough in the kit to make 4 cards, just like what she made here. And so these are all the elements, even the matching envelopes. So I'm gonna have fun making these cards and pass them around, because that's so cute. I love the cute little ring there. That is just so adorable. So I'm going to be putting these together and giving out Christmas cards this year. I say that every year and I never do it. I think about it at the last minute and I don't do it, but I will this time. I really am. I'm going to do it this year. I'm going to try. So that is the card kit. I'm going to put that back in here and then put all the elements back together. And I love these containers. So close this. So I'm going to put this back in here. And the thing about it is that I was not, at one point I wasn't into making cards. Now I like making cards. Okay, so that's that. And then here is the little advent calendar book that we had to make. And again, we had to follow a tutorial that Tiffany made. And I wish I would have thought of this, because I had my boxes that would not close. Darn it, I know next time. She put ribbons on her so they would stay closed. I am so mad that I didn't think of that. But anyway, so we had to, God, I'm mad I didn't do that. I didn't think of that. But anyway, so we had to fill with little goodies in each little box. And she put in these little poinsettias and holly leaves in there. Oh, these are so cute. Those. I like the glitter. So those are cards. You know what? I'm going to go ahead and dump that out. Yeah. Man, I wish I would have thought of that. Now I'm trying to figure out a way to keep those boxes closed. Now this is the perfect idea. I know next time. I know freaking next time. And I bet Tiffany's going to like the idea too. There's a matter of me tying the box back up. Well, gotta do. Okay, so next box is, these are so cool, some candy canes. See, I think these are little, yeah, they're buttons. They look like cute little buttons. I'm gonna be cutting the shanks off of some of these, off of those, and using embellishments though. But isn't that cute? Look at the little candy cane buttons. Cute. I like those. And again, I'm going to dump that out. Now that we don't need it. Oh, I don't need it. Let's see. Oh, no, she did that one. Okay, I got that one. Cool. Okay, and then this, wait a minute, hold it. I forgot, I dropped one. I'm so mad at myself that I did not think of this, because I was trying to think of something to put, how to keep those darn boxes closed. because Tiffany said in the tutorial, she said if the box don't fit, we don't want a partner struggling to kind of get it closed. She said just make another. I said in Taiwan. She said, but she didn't have a solution for if they would fit, but they wouldn't close, or stay closed. So I wish we thought of this. But anyway, and this one got some snowflake buttons, and these are white with the glitter on them. I'm gonna get them all out, and then I'm gonna dump the use that for something else. Oops. But these are gonna be cute. Like I said, I'm gonna cut the shank off of these. I got some snippers. I can cut those off and use them flat. But isn't that pretty? Can you see the glitter? I like those different shapes of snowflakes. Okay. My fingers are not this. Okay. Now this one. No, don't want to get it in a knot. Oh, and that's exactly what I did. I tied it. It's in a knot. But it's not tight. I can get it off. Okay. And then this one. Oh, I like these little let's pull all of that out. Oops. Those are some of them. Oh, I love these. I see. I'm not going to the right place or the right department or stores or whatever, but and she's in the States, so I don't understand why I don't come across these things that I see by getting swaps. Like, where do they find these things? But these are cute. Oh. Okay. I guess that's rest. But yes, red, white, and green. Aren't those pretty? I love those. I'm gonna have fun using those. I'm gonna make sure I didn't dump any out over there anywhere. Okay. Ugh. You know what? I'm just gonna tie it like this. I just want to pull it tight and I'll just make it easy on myself. Okay. All right. Oh, it says it's handmade by Vonetta Carrington 2020. Cute. I wanted to put something inside like a embellishment, but I couldn't think of anything. I wanted to put something in here in the middle. So we got a little button, Christmas trees and a truck. I love the little truck, and I love this gingham, black and white gingham, black and red gingham. Well, I'll get black and white from, but the black and white gingham print. That is so pretty. Yeah, I'm definitely cutting the shank off of these and using these as embellishments. These are so cute. Love these trees and the little truck. Love all that. Okay, I'll dump that out. And I'm just going to tie it. I'm not going to try to put it in a bow again. Yeah. Yeah, guys, we just got back from vacation. Well, it was a mini vacation. Since Brian started a new job and had a couple of days, well, had 5 days off. We only left for 2. But I got back and it was my neighbor. She called me. She said, "Are y'all home?" Like, not yet. We're on our way. She said, "Well, you got packages on your porch and it's supposed to rain." Like, okay, thanks. I knew that was coming. So we'll be back by 1:30. We got home a little before 1:30, and I knew one of the packages that I got. I said, well, it's not going to be a big deal because I know, I wasn't worried about it because I knew it wasn't going to anything that be damaged because it's plastic. But I forgot about this package. Like, oh crap! So I said, man, and it's been hours since we got home, and I was afraid to open the box. Like, oh my God, I don't want to open the box. I'm afraid it's messed up, but it's not messed up. So thank goodness for that. So I got it when I guess I forgot it was coming. Okay. Ooh, little mini cookie cutters. Of course, I'm not going to use, you know what? No, they're too tiny for cookies. You're actually making cookies with, but they're cute. Look at that. Little gingerbread star and a Christmas tree. They look like little miniature cookie cutters. Isn't that cute? This is so adorable. Oh, got one. Silver, white, brown, and red. And green. They almost feel like they're metal. But they're not. They're plastic. So these would be cute. Thank you, Vonetta, for those. And, oh, this is so cute. Okay. Okay. And then, ooh, these are other little glitter snowflakes. I think that's all of that. I'm gonna clean that out. I'm making a mess, y'all. I'll clean it up. Look at these. Now these aren't buttons. Those are so cute. I love the, oh God, I blinded myself looking at that. Aren't those pretty? Alright, thank you, Vonetta, for all the pretty, shiny goodies. These are going to come in handy. I'm going to be using these on cards. Because, like I said, I'm going to make some Christmas cards this year. And mail them out, hand them out, whatever. But I am going to make some. And I will do a video on those. I got to get started because I want to get those done before December 1st. So I can start sending them out on December, the first part of December. But this is so cute. I'll tie them up later. It's all taken out. They're just hanging all out of there. But this is so cute. So I know next time when I make it, I will be making another one of these. I know how to keep the darn box closed because I couldn't think of nothing. And I thought about putting them in, but then I had already glued the bottoms on, so I I'm not going to take them off. But that is a good idea. So thanks again, Vonetta, for the, wait a minute, did I show y'all the, nope, I didn't. She sent me extra goodies. If I didn't, I'm going to show you again. Yeah, she sent some stickers, Merry Christmas stickers. I can use these on the cards. How many in here? 40 pieces. Yeah, I can use these on cards, on the envelopes. And then some little Santa stickers, little puffy stickers. Ain't he cute? And then some chipboard tags. I'll use these on, I think, yeah, that's self-adhesive too. I'll use these on cards as well. I like those. So pretty. And again, the poinsettias. I got some of the smaller poinsettias, but I didn't see the bigger ones. But yeah. Okay, well, thanks, Vonetta, for all the goodies. This is a fun swap because I used some stuff that I hadn't used in a while. And I'm not going to upload that video until she gets her package. Normally I'll upload it, the video, and say, you know, to my partner, if you want to be surprised, then don't watch this video. But I'm actually going to wait till this time to upload my video where I sent her until after she gets it. But these are the sort of cut aparts that from, like, I'm assuming from the paper set that she used. It's really pretty. Okay, so thanks guys for watching, and y'all have a wonderful day, even though mine is a bit rainy. My package got wet, but not damaged. So thanks guys for watching, and happy crafting. Bye.